Samsung's supply chain has revealed plans to begin mass production of the upcoming Galaxy S25 series, with the company aiming to produce around 22 million units by mid-summer 2025. Approximately half of this total, or 11 million units, will be the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Component suppliers have been notified that Samsung plans to manufacture around 22 million Galaxy S25 phones by June. This includes around 11 million Galaxy S25 Ultra units, 6 million units of the standard Galaxy S25, and 4 million of the Galaxy S25 Plus. According to the Elec, Samsung's production roadmap outlines an estimated monthly output of 2 million units in December, followed by 5 million in January, 4 million in February, 3 million in March, and 2 million each in April, May, and June 2025. With just 3 months left until the much-anticipated Galaxy S25 series launch, leaks are offering an early look at what's in store. Although the Galaxy S25 Ultra's design was unveiled a few months back, there was lingering uncertainty about the camera layout. However, new details have now resolved that mystery, adding to the excitement. According to well-known leaker Ice Universe, the camera rings on the Galaxy S25 Ultra will closely resemble those found on the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This means the rings encircling the camera lenses will be black and feature concentric circles. Despite this tweak, the overall camera layout will largely stay the same as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. New information has emerged regarding the Galaxy S25 series, specifically Samsung's internal codename for its upcoming flagship, Paradigm. According to reports from Galaxy Clubs, Samsung has assigned this codename to the Galaxy S25 series. For context, the Galaxy S23 was codenamed Diamond, and the Galaxy S24 was known as Eureka. The Samsung Galaxy S24 series may be among the top smartphones of 2024, but their design lacks a unified, cohesive look across the lineup. However, this is expected to change with the launch of the Galaxy S25 series next year. Leaker Ice Universe has shared an image showing what appear to be Galaxy S25 dummy units, which look quite convincing. Though they are likely mock-up models given that the phones aren't expected to launch until early next year, the image reveals some interesting details. The photo only shows the front of the phones, but it confirms rumors that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will move away from the sharp corners of its predecessors, adopting softer curves similar to the base and Plus models. This gives the Ultra a more consistent look within the lineup, rather than standing out with a distinct design. While the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus look mostly similar to their predecessors, rumors suggest they may be slightly shorter, slimmer, and narrower. All three models may feature textured camera rings, though this can't be confirmed from the dummy units. However, they do hint at the possibility of thinner bezels, which aligns with recent rumors. Although the Galaxy S25 Ultra appears to have flat sides like the other two models, it's rumored to feature an asymmetric design that has yet to be accurately depicted in any leaks. This change is expected to improve ergonomics. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.